for watching. Today I am back with another IPSY bag unboxing. My lip combo today is the Plump Gloss in Call Me from LA Colors and the Bodyography Lip Pencil in Rosewood. I just love this lip combo. So cute. I have a very old school MAC shifting eyeshadow on my eyes. Today's glam bag is the Vacation Mode bag. It's this very soft plush velvet bag. It's got this really cute crimson zippy. Let's see what's inside. So first we have these little cheetah scrunchies, super cute, very useful. Then we have the Hydra Blue Petal Serum Toner. Ooh, I definitely need a new toner. Then we have the Paranova eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I love these colors. Not too sure about that yellow one, but let me know if you guys want me to film a look with this eyeshadow palette. I would love to. There's two more items in this bag. We have the Dat Gel eyeliner though. Pinky Bee Beauty Magic City eyeliner. Okay. And then the Estate Most Wanted. Oh my gosh, I have 3 of these now. Super quick video today. That is what was in my Vacation Mode IPSY glam bag. If you like this video, please subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.